Hey guys, thanks for coming back to our channel. Today we have Richard.
I'm right here.
It's his wagon we're fixing, and the rear bumper's got a couple nicks here, and there's a couple nicks over here on this side, and we don't want the trailer hitch. So if anybody wants this trailer hitch, hit us up, we'll donate it to you. We're taking it off because he doesn't like it. He thinks it's
Well, I'm not quite old enough yet.
he's not old enough yet, so so he's gonna hand me some tools. I got this Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna take the bottom apart first, and then we'll take the top off and we'll slide the bumper off. There's a couple of Phillips screws that hold this thing up at the bottom, and there's gonna be a lot of dirt. So let's see. One here, 4 of those screws there, and then I need a short stubby one, Rich, for here.
Do you have a short?
I have one in there, yeah.
A handheld?
Yeah, a little handheld one. There's one up here at the top. So check it out, guys. There's one with a washer that goes all the way up to the top, and these big ones go like that. There's 2 here. And then I just can't get to that bottom one. The top one I can get to, Rich, yeah. So you need a short stubby screwdriver if you don't want to take the wheels off.
Or ratchet?
Rich is going to take off the very bottom ones. I can get to the top 2. Looks very, very simple. Rich is going to go back on the other side once he gets that one out. Then you show her. There's one right here. And there's one right up here. See how easy it is with the thing being on the lift. I'm sorry if you got to do it at home.
Well, you can do it on the ground.
Yeah, I know. It just sucks because you're on the ground all day.
I took mine off when I did the backup sensors.
Oh yeah. And then there's a clip here, and the clip here needs to come out. One here. And one here. Okay, so that's loose. We're done with the whole bottom. Rich, the wagon came out 11?
Yeah.
Okay, I stand corrected.
9 to 13 on the sedan.
Sedan front end is the same, yeah. The ass end 11 to 13. That is good right there. I need a pick, Rich. We gotta pull these covers off. I need a pick to pull those covers off. And then these are 10s. Got my 10 gun. And these 10s have a little bit of a landing strip. So okay.
Chewed up enough to have to replace it. Okay, you ready?
Ready. Let's roll. You just pull on the sides slowly, not to snap the plastic. Look at that. So guys, that's how you take the rear bumper off a TSX Wagon sitting over there. I think it's a 17.
Is it?
Well, I'm taking off this U-Haul.
You want to take that off?
It's gonna be a free U-Haul hitch for anybody who wants one. Come by and grab it. I'm gonna hold it for about a month, and then it's gonna go down the road.
What size are you using there?
I'm using the 14. Yeah, that's the thing. It'll fit. Just push down the exhaust a little bit. Push up on this. Gotta take off the exhaust.
Both sides or one?
One side should be. Okay.
I see. Oh, back to normal, except for the bolt.
Well, the bolts are still stuck in there. Oops, sorry.
Okay, where is the, we were using the open. Yeah, I'm afraid those are gonna stay there, young boy.
It ain't bothering nobody.
Those are gonna be part of the car.
Ain't gonna be rattling either.
Yeah, that's staying.
Okay.
Okay.